This is Odoran1234 with Kamikaze Mods on how to mod Call of Duty 6 Modern Warfare 2 Gamertag. Alright, in order to do this mod, you will need to download these three programs. The download links will be in the description below. Once you have downloaded these three programs and extracted them to your desktop, make sure you have your UAC disabled. If you do not know what I'm talking about, just look over here, open your start menu, and in the start search bar, type in msconfig. Then hit the enter key, and then you'll see a system configuration box pop up. On the tabs up top, you'll see General, Boot, Services, Startup, and Tools. Click the Tools tab and scroll down until you see Disable UAC. Once you've found it, click Disable UAC and then click the launch button down on the right hand corner, on the bottom right hand corner. Click launch, and then once you've launched it, a box might pop up saying that your computer needs a reboot in order to save the changes you just made. If your computer says that, then just reboot your computer and continue this tutorial where you left off. Alright, once you've done that, X out here. Alright, now just open up Export 360 or Explorer 360. They're both the same. I have Export 360, and if you have Windows Vista like me, you will need to right click and then run as administrator. Alright, once you do that, a box will then pop up saying it's found your hard drive. Hit OK to that, and then click on this link. This link is your hard drive. And then three more links would open up underneath it. Click partition 3, the third link. And then four more links will open up underneath that. Click the second link titled Content, parentheses, User Profiles, Saves, and etc. Open that, give it a second. And then your profile should open up underneath it. Your profile will most likely start with E000 and then some other numbers. And also, if you're having trouble finding your profile, just look for the ones with all your game saves and all that stuff. Like mine's right here. As you can see, I have game saves for like Halo 3, Zune, Modern Warfare 2, Call of Duty World at War, and all that other stuff. Once you found that, click the file directly underneath your profile, the FFF, dashboard data, gamer pics, themes, and all that good stuff. Once you click that, then you'll see a file open up underneath that starts with 0001000. It's either exactly like that or something similar. Click that, and then you'll see this black square with titled E000 and the rest of your profile code. Once you found that, just click it and then drag it to your desktop. This is your profile here, your normal profile. Once you dragged your normal profile to your desktop, X out of Export 360 or Explorer 360, and then open up Ezgt 2.1, doesn't matter which version you have. I also like to call this program Gamertag Editor. So just open this, and just open that, and then find the application, click the application there, and Ezgt Gamertag Editor should then open. X this out, it's over here. Then once you do that, on the top left hand corner, you'll see a person icon or a MySpace figure. Click that, and three links underneath that, click the open one, and then make sure you're at your desktop. See all the files that are at your desktop, just make sure you see all the files that are on your desktop. Then click the non-modded profile you just dragged out of Export 360 or Explorer. Click that. Once you see the file name, click open, and then your gamertag should appear in the middle editing box. Once you see your gamertag, you could edit it, you could type in whatever you want, and you could also type in swears, curses, whatever you want. Also, if you want to add buttons and colors and stuff like that, just move over to the Add tab up here, type in whatever buttons you want, and if you want your gamertag to be, let's say, red, just highlight the gamertag that you've written in and select the color red. And then this little nick should pop up in a number. Let's say I wanted like yellow or something, highlight it, and then see nick 3. They're all different codes. If you want each and every letter or number individually colored, like a rainbow, then just, I know it's a pain in the ass, just highlight each and every key and then just hit a color like this. Just hit the colors like that. Alright, once you have that done, once you have your gamer tag however you want, and once you're all satisfied there, just go to the person icon or the MySpace icon and hit save. Make sure you save this new modded gamer tag to your desktop and then hit OK. Once you do this, it should create your a folder of your modded gamer tag. It will look different than the unmodded gamer tag you dragged out of Export or Explorer. As you see here, it just created a profile. Once you see the file it created, X out of gamertag editor, and then you'll see the difference. This one's a sheet. This is the original unmodded profile you dragged out of Export or Explorer, and this is the modded profile you just made with gamertag editor. Delete the original just to spare you some confusion later on, and make sure you have this file here. Once you're done with that, open up Modio. I personally don't like Modio because it takes up a lot of space and it's kind of confusing. I also like to do my own mods, so I don't like to use tools like this. Alright, once you've exited those, look at the top. If it says not connected to server, it's not your fault. It's just because Modio's been down. It's having some server crashes, a couple server crashes in the past couple days. If that's the case, then just restart Modio or restart your computer. If that still doesn't work, then just wait a couple days for Modio servers to rebuild itself. You'll eventually see not signed in. Once you see that, if you have an account, sign in. If you don't, you really don't need an account, so don't worry about that. I do not have an account, so I will show you what it would be like if you do not have an account. See not signed in here? All you have to do is just click on this folder that gamertag editor made for you. Open it, open the FFF folder, and then the 0001 folder, and then you'll see your new modded gamer tag, not the original. It looks sort of similar to the original, that's why I had you delete the original before, just so there's no mix-ups. So just make sure you have the modded gamer tag here. Click it once, and then drag it into Modio. Excuse me again. Then X out of the folder that gamertag editor made for you. You'll see your new modded gamertag inside of Modio. Once you see that, on the bottom right hand corner, you'll see rehash and resign. Click that. Do not click the two separate buttons. Click rehash and resign. Then you'll see it says rehash and resigned, and then Xbox 360 dashboard. Once you see that and it's confirmed with a little dink sound, X out of Modio, and now you have your rehashed and resigned modded gamertag. Alright, in order to inject this back into your hard drive, you'll need to take these precautionary steps. Open up Export 360 or Explore 360 again. Like I said before, if you have Vista like me, run as administrator. Click OK once it's acknowledged to your hard drive, and then open up your hard drive, partition 3, and then content, but don't do anything else. Wait for it to load for a couple seconds, then once your profiles have dropped down, just hit content one more time so they disappear, and then click on the modded, rehashed, and resigned file that you just made. Click it once, and then drag it over to the right hand side of your content box. Once you've done that, wait for the little swirl to stop telling you it's injecting. Once it disappears, X out of Export 360, and you are basically done. In order to activate the mods, it is pretty simple. I will upload another tutorial video on how to activate the mods. And also, if you want to deactivate the mods, I will also tell you how to do that as well. So if you like this video or have any questions, please comment. Feel free to leave me a message. Also, please subscribe. This is a new channel. And if you, soon we will be having montage videos uploaded by Sweet129. I hear he's a very crazy gamer, and you guys should enjoy his videos. I can't wait to see a couple of those montages. He just joined um, Kamikaze Mods, so that should be pretty good. Alright, until next time, this was Odoran1234 with Kamikaze Mods on modding tutorials. Yes, goodbye.